Ramsey yn hir yn chwilio am Breeze y cyffyrddiad lleia. Evans at Darren Thomas mlaen tuag at Breeze, mae'n syrthio'n garedig I Kai Jones. Ymyl y cwrt Cosby, oedd hwnna'n gyfle da. Dau dîm sydd ddim wedi bod ar ei gorau dros yr wyl. Ashley Evans sy'n cael ei ychwanegu I garfan Pen-y-bont. Absenoldeb Keenan Patton yn ychwanegu at y prynder. O, Jamie Breeze yn ergydio, mae'n rhydd a mae'n cael ei chlirio. Cyfle da I Jamie Breeze I roi Caernarfon ar y blaen. Owen a Wood dros y bêl. Cyn Owen! Rwyd ochr. O'n i'n meddwl bod I mewn, oedd I mor agos a hynny. Bradley dan bwysen, torri'n garedig I Georgievski. Georgievski'n parhau I fynd ymyl y cwrt Cosby. Mae'n derbyn y bêl yn ôl. Georgievski yr arbediad yn wych gan Ramsey. Griffiths a chyfle I groesi. Caernarfon yn clirio. Ond Georgievski cyfle iddo fe sgorio I ail o'r wyl. George ar tafliad. Y camgymeriad yma, Luke Borelli yr eilydd I gyffyrddiad cyntaf ar ei drod dde dros y bar. Ansicrwydd yn amddiffyn Caernarfon, bron yn talu'r pris. Chris, another important point and one that lifts you out of the relegation positions.
Yeah, well, it's nice to be out of there. It doesn't really matter at the moment, but the point is the important thing. And I thought it was a good game, quite an even game, and thrilled to get the point in the end.
Credit to them, they were throwing bodies, on the line. They're fighting down there. It's a very tough place to come. So to come away with the point, I think a clean sheet is pleasing. But yeah, just that final ball just didn't fall for us, unfortunately. But yeah, we got a point, and it's one more point needed now.
And all in all, a point against the top six side is really important.
Yeah, it is, and for us, the second half of the season started on Boxing Day, and so really important that we start picking up points now. Would have liked to get the 3. We had a chance late on. I thought we might have nicked it, but at the end of the day, I thought it was a fair result.
And we've seen Rhys Griffiths add some new faces to his squad. Can we expect new faces at the Oval?
Yeah, hopefully one's going to be over the line on Monday. A promising youngster like from the Cymru North, and then I've just said there to go in off camera. With Noah Edwards nearing a return, Noah will be like a new signing, to be honest. Obviously we lose Nathan for a couple of weeks with the concussion protocol. Leo Smith is serving a ban, but Jamie Crowther's got back into light training as well. So when you're considering them 4, they'll probably be like new signings, really. For us, we'd love to bring new bodies in, but sadly we're not in an abundance of riches, unfortunately. But the lads that I've got there. Any 11 that I put out, any squad that I'm travelling down to South Wales with, or going to the Oval with, I put full faith in them, really, to be honest. And hopefully if we get that elusive point to get us in the top 6, it's going to be a battle, but it's certainly one that we'll embrace.